Hey guys, now Mariam's going to show you the new customer service dashboards in Dynamics 365.
Thanks, Gordon. So now we're going to take a look at the dashboards that are included in the Customer Service Hub. And I can look at the different dashboards that are available to me by just dropping down the dashboard list at the top of my screen. So right now we're looking at the Tier 1 dashboard. That's what we've been focused on. And really that's my favorite dashboard that comes with the new Interactive Service Hub. But there are other ones, of course. So there's the Customer Service dashboard. I can click there. And there's more information. And this one, you're really looking at a single view or a single list. And then a lot of charts that are related on the right. And so I can find out more kind of high-level information about those cases on the right-hand side of my screen. And this is a nice overview just to know what's on your plate, what you should be working on, what does the volume look like. So this dashboard is nice for that to glance at, but doing your everyday work, I like that Tier 1 dashboard a little better. You can also flip through and there's a knowledge manager. So let me change this to last quarter here. You can actually create, and of course, like you could before, knowledge-based articles that are all associated with your cases inside of the system in order to help solve cases in the future or look up the resolutions for previous cases in the system. The Tier 1 dashboard we looked at before, let's just take a look at it again. I'm going to use my timeline filter on the right. And I'm using relative dates here, so there's no exact date range, but I could choose a custom time frame if I wanted. So you could select specific dates. I like the relative one, so I can choose last quarter and have that load here. Remember that I do have my visual chart filter flyouts, so those show if I choose to expose them. You get a little more real estate on your screen if you hide that. So if you're really looking to have more information without looking at the charts, I recommend just hiding that. However, you can expose it and take a look at the graphics above, so that's really nice. Don't forget there's a filter, a global filter flyout as well. So I can come in here and get a little more granular in the data that I'm looking at. So in case I'm looking, let's say I'm on the phone with a customer and they bring up a specific product type, I could look at for all cases that have to do with that product, for example, resolutions that we recently had in the system last quarter that I've set my time frame to. Or if somebody's calling about a specific case and they're not sure what company name it might be under, which account, you can look for the modified date or some other feature in here. So I can filter down more on these issues by choosing a filter and then applying it. So as you can see, the data is narrowed down further. And lastly, there's the Tier 2 dashboard. So this one again, let's just change this date range to last quarter since I'm looking at sample data. And you can see that active cases are the list on my left here. And then I have my associated charts and high-level information on my right. And of course, you can apply filters on the charts to the list itself. So the active cases are now only showing me those that are low. And of course, I can remove that filter if I want and take a look at the rest of the normal view of active cases in the system. So this is a nice managerial dashboard to take a look and see at a high level what's going on inside of Dynamics 365.